Hello everyone, this is Vision Sanjay and welcome to Select Tutorials episode 3. So in this episode, we will learn how to download and install the Connect app in Windows 10. So to do this, first what you have to do is go to the Start menu and there click on the settings. So after that, click on the apps. After that, in the apps and features section, click on the optional features. So there you'll find a plus mark with add a feature. Click on it and scroll down to the bottom and there will get wireless display. Click on it and then click on install. The installation will begin. Mind you that the installation will begin only when you have a non-metered connection. So to get this app installed, you have to be connected to a non-metered connection. So make a note of that because it's very important. So after getting installed, this is what you get. So what we'll do is we'll close this window and we'll go to the Start menu again and we'll go to the C section where you find a Connect app. So this is it for today. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, bye bye.